Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're not in a garage, we're actually at an Auto X or slalom event. Guy from KWH Racing invited me to come over here, and yeah, we're driving a few different kind of cars. So we have the EK Civic with 1.5 D series engine, making about 120 horsepower, which is the entry-level race car for Kai, his business. And then we have 170 horsepower B series EG coupe and two BMWs, which I don't know any specs of. So anyway, in the morning we had some rain, and that was quite exciting. And now it's the afternoon, the sun is shining. The sun is out and the semi-slicks are on, and we're enjoying ourselves. So, sorry. I wasn't paying attention. Anyway, so in the morning we had some practice, and now normally in the afternoon we will do some timed laps to see which car and which driver is the fastest. And yeah, we'll see what happens. This is my first event ever, and it's going good. It's fun. I like it. The only thing I don't like about it is that my car isn't here, because the supercharger would really stand out and would really be good in these type of conditions. Anyway, let's give you guys some footage. Oh my god. Alright guys, it's evening, the day is finished. There were no time lapse because if you do time lapse it's a competition. If you do a competition in Holland right now with COVID, well, it's not really allowed. So I had a lot of fun. I drove with 3 different cars. That was fun. And yeah, I haven't talked a lot during this vlog, but I hope you liked the content anyway, and if you did, just give a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys next time. So guys, one last look at Lelystad Raceway, and I see you guys next time. Bye.